Guys, in this video I will show you how to find your hidden shot and see it. So just watch and follow this video till the end. So you have to search for the person if you still know your username, or just come here and click here and click, for example, this person. I hide it. We hide our conversation last time. Click here, create, and as you see I found it right now, and I will come here to this 3 line and I will click like unhide a shot, or just I will, when I send a message it will come here. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.